Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you saw in thumbnail, today's video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure my friend your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock. So watch this video till the end. Your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. And this video is for the every brand like Samsung, Vivo, OPPO, Realme, Xiaomi. Every brand can be unlocked by the help of this unlocking method video. If my previous video didn't work on your smartphone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. By the new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work on your smartphone. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone should not be battery charged less than 30%, otherwise whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge of your smartphone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this unlocking method. And one more thing I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with the help of this trick, then take the help of my next upcoming videos, or you may also take help of my older videos. For this you must subscribe to the channel. And if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This give us a lot of encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end only. Then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning this method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. As you know, my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network should be shut down. Now you can see, my friend, my phone is showing here Wi-Fi network and telecommunication network. So firstly, I will have to switch off my phone's telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network. So for this, simply I will have to slide down my phone. You can see here I had got lots of keys here, but I will have to go with the option of a airplane mode or flight mode. So simply I will activate this flight mode. Now you can see here, after activating this flight mode, my phone's all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network are switched off now. Now my phone is ready to go with the new unlocking method. But before going to the unlocking method, one more thing I will have to do with my phone. My phone's all the background running background applications should be closed, and generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. So generally there are some special and secret codes generated by the every service center to close the background running application, and these type of secret code updates within 2 and 3 days. And this secret code what I'm going to give you in this video helps you to unlock your smartphone, then it's okay. Otherwise you may also take help of my next upcoming videos. So how will you feed this secret code? Look at here. Now you can see this phone is locked due to pattern lock, and there is an option of emergency SOS, or it's also known as emergency call option. So simply you will have to go with this emergency SOS or call option. When you will click on this emergency SOS option, you will reach to a new dialing pad. You will have to open your dialing pad like this. Now you will have to feed here this secret code to close the running application, and recent closing application secret code is *555, then *66, then *35280, then hash. This is the recent secret code to close the background running application when your phone is locked. Okay, because this secret code is most important, because close the running application is most important to go with the master unlocking method. Now after feeding this secret code, you will have to call on this secret code at the first time. When you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again you will have to do the process. I mean to say, you will have to call on this number 3 times continuously. After calling on the secret code 3 times, it means all the background running application are now closed. Now your phone is ready to go with the unlocking method. After this, you will have to simply clear your call log like this. Now I am going to give you a USSD code. This USSD code is generally used to go to the master unlocking page or engineers mode page. Okay, now after this you will have to simply, just a minute, you will have to simply dial your USSD code, and you can see here this USSD code is star hash 899 then hash. Now you can see here after feeding this 8 star hash 899 hash, after sales page has been appeared on my phone display. You can see here you will also get a lots of option on this page, you can see here, but you don't have to go with any other option on this page. You will have to go with the option of a software version at the 5th number. When you will click on this software version at the 5th number, you will reach to a new page, and this page name is software version, you can see here. Now after this you will have to go with the second option, that's option showing here Android version 13. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 12 or 11, and if your phone is showing here Android version 11, it means you will have to click on this Android version 11 time continuously. But here my phone is showing here Android version 13, it means I will have to click on this Android version 13 times. Now I'm going to click on this option rapidly 13 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Now the first step has been done. After this, simply you will have to go with the back button, and when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the previous page, and you will also get another option of a manual test option, you can see here above the software version. Now after this you will have to simply click on this manual test option, and when you will click on this manual test option, you will reach to a new page, and you can see here the page name is engineers mode page, and you will also get a 3 type of option on this page. But you don't have to go with any option on this page, simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of other, you can see here, and the end of the slide other page has been appeared on my phone display. You can see here there are 5 type of options showing on the phone, and you can see here the 4th option is showing here main board version. It may be possible your phone will be showing here database version, so don't worry at all, both the option have the same function but the different name, so don't worry about the name. Simply you will have to click on this main board version 9 times rapidly like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now the step has been completed. Now you can see here there is another option of a read write important lock test at the 2nd number. Now simply you will have to click on this read write important lock test option, and at the first time when you will click on this read write important lock test option, you will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm this. At the first time simply you will have to cancel this option like this. Again you will have to click on this read write important lock test option, again you will have to cancel here, and the 3rd time you will have to do the same. But at the 4th time when you will go with this read write important lock test option, at the 4th time you will have to go with the OK option. And when you will go with the OK option, it means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. Now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. Now I am going to give you a very last step for the unlocking method, but before going to the last step, one more thing I will also like to tell you, that if you have skipped any step in this video, it means your phone is not going to unlock, my friend. You will have to watch this video again. So watch the video properly and follow the properly step every step. Okay, now the very last step what I'm going to give you, you will have to simply slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of a device debugging option. Now you can see here device debugging page has been appeared on my phone display, you can see here. Now you can also see here there are lots of options here from top to bottom, you can see here. But at the 6th number you can see here there is an option of a sensor self-test and calibration option. Now you will have to go with this option, and at the first time when you will click on this sensor self-test and calibration option, 3 options will be appear on your phone display, you can see here. Okay, now after this you can see here all the option is showing here operation not started. The 2nd option is same saying here operation not started, and the 3rd option, it may be possible your phone will be showing here 2 options or 1 option, so don't worry at all the options are showing here operation not started. Now simply you will have to start these operations by clicking on these options. Okay, now after that you will have to continue click on these options until you get a single test passed message. Okay, now I'm going to do here, you can also see with me. Operation has been started, test failed, test has been started, test failed. The 3rd option, test has been started, but the 3rd option showing here test has been started in green color. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my smartphone. It means my smartphone has been completely unlocked. Okay, now I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So how will I check whether my phone has been unlocked or not? Now you can see here there is an option of a home button at the home button at the bottom of the phone, you can see here. Now I will go with this the home button to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. So I'm going to click here. So my friend, you can see here my phone has been completely unlocked and all the applications which were in my smartphone as it is as in my smartphones. It means this trick really works, and if your phone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like with this video, and if your phone could not unlock with the help of this video, then make a comment in my comment box. Our team will quick respond on your issues. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.